What's up guys, it's a little unboxing video here of some signal boosters or range extenders, whatever you want to call them, from Amazon, which I've purchased for the DJI Mavic Air. Now the brand I actually purchased is a brand called Hensey, not too sure how you pronounce that, but the brand I've been sent, as you can see here, is Sunlight, which is actually a cheaper brand, so I'm not too sure how these are going to perform. It says made in China. You can also see it says for Mavic Pro, but according to Amazon these are for the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Air and the DJI Spark. They should be all very similar in size. Let's take a look at the boosters yourself. Comes in some little plastic paper bag. So you can see that they actually open like a shell. It tells you to take off the protective film before use, which you should always do, or you will not get the extended range and signal which these are intended for. Also it comes with a little cleaning cloth and instructions, which I'm pretty sure nobody will need, but it's nice to have them. A little briefing, pictures of how to install them. Basically just slip them over the existing antennas. Also in Chinese, Japanese by the looks of things. Just take off the protective film. Just make sure you always do that first before use, like I say, or it will not do the job it's intended to do. It will block the signal. The reflectors will not work, or at least will not work as they should do. Just get it off the edge, pull it back. It's actually quite hard to see, it did have protective film on. Just grab the Mavic Air controller, we will try them on. Open up the antennas. Just slip them right over. Make sure you get it facing the right way, make sure it's not upside down. You can see it sits over nicely, it's not too tight. It's actually a pretty good fit. Let's open up the arms. What we'll do, we'll put the thumbsticks on, just to make sure that the thumbsticks don't touch the antennas, to make sure it doesn't get in the way. Yeah, as you can see, it doesn't go all the way, so it doesn't touch it, doesn't affect it. That works great. As you can see, it's a really nice fit. It's not too tight, but it's not loose. It's not jiggling about, it's not sliding up and down on the plastic, which is just something that you don't want. Pretty good fit. Like I say, it wasn't actually the brand I did purchase, but they'll do. Amazon obviously gave me a slight refund for sending the wrong ones, so that's fine. We'll see what they're like, we'll test it. I'll do another video exactly the same conditions as the last range test we did earlier in the week. We'll send it up to the same height and we'll see if we get any better range, any better distance, any better signal. Check the Wi-Fi bars, see if they last a little bit longer before it drops down to a bar. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Peace!